In this video, we will show you how to purchase a WordPress hosting plan at Bluehost. Are you looking for a reliable host for your WordPress site? Bluehost offers WordPress hosting plans designed to support your goals and help grow your online presence. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up for a WordPress hosting plan. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by going to Bluehost.com. From the WordPress or Hosting drop-down menu, select WordPress Hosting. You can also visit this link directly. Scroll down to the Hosting Plan section and select your preferred hosting plan by clicking Choose Plan. Choose a domain for your WordPress hosting plan. You can register a new domain or use an existing one, and then add domain privacy. You can also select your domain later if you prefer. Create your account with an email address and password, or link it directly to your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. You can enhance your website by adding recommended add-ons, such as CodeGuard, e-commerce, and Yoast. Enter your payment details in the Billing Information section and select your payment method. You can select to pay using your card, Google Pay, or PayPal. In the cart section, choose your preferred billing term from the drop-down menu. Review the items in your cart, then scroll down and click the Submit Payment button to complete your payment. Once your payment has been processed, you will receive an order confirmation email from Bluehost with information about your account. You can access and manage your Bluehost account by logging in through our website or by going directly to the Bluehost login page using this link. You are all set! You can now start building your website using Bluehost's WordPress hosting plan.